Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to earn resources in Monopoly Go. First, let's talk about daily login rewards and quick tasks. Every day you log in, you will get a free gift. It might be dice rolls, coins, or a sticker pack. Also, check the Wins tab for quick tasks like landing on a special tile or collecting one sticker. Completing those gives you extra rewards. Second, invest in properties and use the dice multiplier. As you move around the board and buy properties, upgrading them increases rent and income. When you activate a dice multiplier, you earn more per roll or per property rent. That helps you build resources faster. Fourth, use friend invites and event participation. Inviting friends who join gives you dice or bonuses. Also, special events and tournaments offer resource bundles for completing milestones or challenges. Being active in these can give you a big push. Finally, make a plan. Don't spend all your dice at once. Save some for when you have a high multiplier or a strong property set. Focus first on daily rewards, then property upgrades inviting friends. Over time, your resources will grow, and you'll move through boards faster. Thanks for watching.